I scheduled 365 social media posts with Claude Cowork. All these reels scheduled, social media posts scheduled, stories on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn scheduled. And we'll move from scheduling one reel to one carousel, one story, and then one singular prompt that'll schedule all of your social media content for the entire year. First, let's gather supplies. Now, I use the Claude Pro $20 a month version. You can use the free version, but you might just hit your token limits incredibly quickly. So Pro version at a minimum is probably what I would recommend.
Oh, he recommends the Pro version.
We'll also use Imager to store and organize our content. It's free to use. Oh, free stuff.
We love free stuff.
And lastly, we'll use Viraly to schedule the posts on social media. Even their free version can use the MCP.
Whoa, more free stuff. I'm liking this video.
Along with the free plan, Viraly does have a couple paid plans depending on how many posts you're trying to schedule. I personally use the agency plan, but the free plan integrates directly with Claude. You'll be able to schedule posts no problem. Ooh, I'm liking this. If you're new to Claude, no worries. I have this playlist right here on our channel to walk you through a bunch of different helpful tutorials. Now to schedule our first reel, we'll use my Claude skill called Schedule Reel. And not only will it schedule our posts on Viraly, but it's automatically programmed to create a caption that'll perform well for Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and Facebook Reels.
Facebook. Does anyone use Facebook anymore?
Facebook is still the largest social media platform.
Well then.
You can see here we simply just added our date, the time, and the platforms we wanted the post scheduled on. Now, one really important step here is I have all my photos and videos saved in Imager. Now, the reason I use Imager is it's a free tool, it's not a sponsor, but in order for Viraly to grab your content, it needs to be available to a public link. And Imager is a nice, popular free tool that allows you to store your images and videos publicly. So that's why we're using Imager today. Now, if you have your content saved elsewhere, that's completely fine. Here's some popular other tools that work really well. Here's some ones that don't work because they're either not a public link or they require a sign-on to even get to the public link, but I would use any one of these free tools on the left side here.
Ooh, a table. We're getting into the specifics.
Then lastly, all you have to do is give Claude a little bit of context about what that reel is about. This one is about digital business cards and how to make a QR code. So we're going to go ahead and add that and run it. And now it's saying that it's automatically going through and scheduling our reel. Now, while this loads, these skills are a little bit complicated to make. So I went ahead and created free skills that you can download in the description below. It just shows you how each one of these are set up essentially and how to get Claude to write in your tone of voice. A lot of people make a mistake where they don't ever train their AI model on how they traditionally write. And so then when it's posted online, it kind of looks like AI slop and it doesn't sound like the person that you're used to hearing from. So I highly recommend downloading those. And while this finishes uploading, this is also our full-time job. So if you like free downloadables and these different cool tables to teach you these things as they become relevant, go ahead and like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It will go a long way for me, of course. Okay, so awesome. So here it says that your reel has been successfully scheduled. So let's go ahead and jump over to Viraly. And what's nice here is Viraly actually scheduled this post for the 28th at 9 a.m. And if you scroll down, you can see that this was scheduled on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So Claude is scheduling this reel on our behalf. While this goes ahead and loads, it's important that you have the Viraly connector within Claude set up correctly. So how you set that up is just go ahead and select Claude Customize, then select Connectors. Click this button and select Add Custom Connector, and then just paste this information here. It's incredibly easy.
Whoa, so easy. Is that in the description below too?
And then if we go into Instagram, for instance, you can see here that it automatically took the few keywords that we gave it, like business card and QR code, and said, create your own digital business card with the QR code. Level up your business. And then over here, you can see a preview of what that reel would look like when it's posted on that platform. So moving on from our first basic automation to jumping into something a little bit more advanced, because you guys are smart. You're watching this video. Our second and third automation here are scheduling a carousel and scheduling a story with Claude at the same exact time. Now, Claude Cowork was made to do tasks simultaneously. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and select new task. We're going to run the skill schedule post, and we'll do it for July 29th. So it will be the next day, and for 12:15 p.m. and for LinkedIn and Instagram. Now, what's really cool about the schedule post skill is I set it up that if you only provide provide one content link, it's going to automatically go through and just schedule an individual photo. And if you add multiple content links like this, it's automatically going to schedule it as a carousel that you scroll through on Instagram or LinkedIn, for instance. Now, the reason you might want to use a carousel is more likely to have increased engagement because a user stops on your profile, swipes, and that shows the audience that they're more engaged because they're spending more seconds on your own content. So I highly recommend using carousels when possible, and then we'll just go ahead and put climbing mountains and adventures, and we'll go ahead and send it off. Now, what's really cool is now we can automatically open a new task since we're in cowork and automatically schedule the story too. So we'll do the schedule story skill. We'll do July 30th. Let's go ahead and do something crazy like 1 a.m. We'll go ahead, go into Imager, we'll grab the link, and this one is for podcasts and adventures. Now, for those of you who don't know, the reason to use cowork outside of chat is cowork can run multiple different tasks at the same time. So like this one is automatically going through and scheduling the story. Well, this one automatically goes through and schedules the post. Now, again, we cover this type of stuff in our Claude playlist here. So very basic things, but always like sharing them, of course. Then if you're finding value out of this so far, go ahead and like and subscribe. It really goes a long way to supporting my channel and hopefully supporting whatever you guys build, because I'm gonna keep talking about this stuff.
So if we like and subscribe, you make more content on this?
Yeah, that's kind of how I pay my bills right now. So go ahead, help me out. Click those 2 buttons, means a lot. And awesome. So if you go ahead and jump into our scheduled post skill, it's automatically scheduled here, and it added our little description for climbing mountains and adventures. But if we go ahead and go over to scheduled story, which was running at the same time,
It says, hey, your story's been scheduled on Viraly. So
let's go ahead and jump into Viraly, and you can automatically see here on the 29th, we have our carousel scheduled for LinkedIn and Instagram. Then if you go here and jump into the 30th, you can see that our podcast clip was scheduled on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Now, for our Mac Daddy, our biggest automation, the one that will save you the most time as a content creator online, is scheduling 365 pieces of content with one skill, one prompt, one time. So this is incredibly easy. Just stick with me here. What you want to do, open up a new task. Go ahead and run the skill bulk schedule. Now, granted, 365 pieces of content is so much. And so I organize this in a nice Excel file. What I do is I have the date, the time, the file link of where it's located. Content type you don't exactly need, but I like it. It just helps me keep my stuff organized. And then the description. And then you can see here, like we have dates here for every single day of 2027, every single post that we're going to be scheduling. And so then what we'll do is back in Claude, this skill is set up to automatically take an Excel attachment that has that information that is also available in the downloadable. We're going to go ahead and upload our 2027 content calendar. And then I recommend, if you're trying to conserve your tokens, I run this on Sonnet 4.6 with low effort. It's able to go ahead and successfully post them for me, but anytime I ran it with larger efforts, it did not successfully post every single post in one iteration. I maxed out on my tokens. So go ahead, put that in low, and then just go ahead and send it off. And while this loads, are there any other Claude integrations you guys are interested in seeing? We've done one on Gmail and Claude. We did one on how to use Square and automate invoices with Claude. We created a crazy video on Claude with Outlook. Like, no one's making professional videos on that because you have to have a professional Microsoft account. So I hope that video does very well. And now we're doing one on scheduling posts. But are there any other integrations you would like to see? I'm going to make whatever I get recommended, essentially. I want to know from you guys. So go ahead and comment that. It will go a long way. And if you guys have any questions, throw those in the comments as well. I try to answer every single one in the comments. We're a pretty small channel, so I answer every comment.
What about comment trolls? Do you answer all of the comment trolls?
Yeah, I do. They're kind of the most honest and helps me improve my channel. So yeah, I answer the comment trolls. Now, it took a little bit, but over here you can see January, 31 posts scheduled. February, 28 days post scheduled. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, post scheduled. Now, we gotta jump into Viraly, because if this doesn't work, then what's the point, right? So let's go ahead and jump all the way to January 2027, and holy smokes, we have a post scheduled on every single platform. February, same thing. March, oh my gosh, every day for next year, we have a scheduled post simply from a skill that's that's in the description below. Like, what? Now, it's important to recognize that one AI tool to schedule social media posts is not going to make you a content creation business and make you actual money, right? You need a full suite, one for sales pipelines, one for content ideas, one for how to automate your editing, and of course, this tool to automate your social media posts. Go ahead and check out this video where we built the whole thing with probably the largest creator in our space, Modern Millie. It is a great AI content creation business video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're still here. I hope you had fun. Go watch that. Good luck at whatever you're building, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, I'll see you, friends.